The IKEA Swedish meatballs, chips and gravy actually worth the hype? Let's find out.
Bombastic side eye.
I have seen everyone and their mothers talking about the IKEA Swedish meatballs, so let's try it and let's see if it's actually worth the hype. Alright guys, I'm actually nervous. I got Swedish meatballs, chips and gravy. Got the Swedish meatball. I can't lie, it does look very nice, and the gravy as well. That tastes, I can't lie, very weird. You know what, let's just try it with the chips as well. I love chips. I feel like you can't go wrong with chips. Chips with the meatball. No, I feel like the meatball isn't that nice. I see everyone like raving about it, but actually, I don't get it.